Hello, friends. Uh, all the friends from Manav Rachana International School. I want to talk to you over something very general but related to what we are facing nowadays. I know you people, as well as everyone else, is facing a very deep crisis. We are all in a crisis, but we should have a belief that, like every other crisis, this crisis also is going to get over very soon. So especially as I have been told that we are going to release this short video for class 11th and 12th of this school. I want to talk to them regarding some things. I want to tell them to stay motivated, to stay positive during this time. It is a difficult time, especially you students. You are based in Delhi, which is facing a huge crisis. But let's believe in ourselves. Let's be strong. Let's take care of our families, our relatives who are around us. At least that much we all can do. And this is also a time which is giving us a lot of free time in which we can think a lot. We can think about our own future. We can think about our families. Especially for you, don't be disheartened. Don't think that since your exams are not happening, your classes are not happening, what is going to happen to your career? It will all become normal very soon. And you can plan for your future. You can plan for your career in these days. I would suggest you to read books, to make use of the online mediums which you already have. You have an advantage over us. During our times, we didn't had all these platforms. We didn't had so much of easy accessibility to internet and everything, but you have that accessibility. So make use, please try to make use of that accessibility to internet for your own career. Not only your career, but improving your general knowledge, your awareness. In today's world, whichever career you choose, it is very important that you have very good general awareness. You know about the issues around. Read newspapers, study magazines, study about environment, study science, and not only for your studies but otherwise to gain knowledge. So what I would like to suggest to all the students of this school and otherwise is that we should try to gain knowledge rather than only doing things for our studies and only for getting good marks. Because as you must have seen in example of many people, it is not only your academic performance, but it is your general knowledge, your awareness, and your articulation, your knowledge of the issues which makes you successful in life. And there is no this thing. You can be successful at any stage of your life. It is not that it is only the marks which you get in class 12th or board exams or in certain examination or in graduation that is important, but it is trying to be more aware, trying to be more uh, having much better general knowledge and awareness that is going to help all of you. And these are difficult times, but let's not only waste our times on social media, which we all do, but try to make use of this time to plan, to think about your future, to think about your career, and not only your career, but try to help your family, try to help your loved ones around. And uh, think a lot, read some good books that will all add into your personality and it will help you. And finally, I would like to wish good luck, all the best to all of you. Stay safe, stay healthy, and hopefully this crisis is going to end very soon, and you all are going to do very well in your future, in your careers. Thank you very much.